Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we will look at one of the features of the Vsub, that is Twitter X to a video. So let me launch my Vsub dashboard, and this is my dashboard. And today we are going to look at these features, Twitter X to video. And if you click on this one, you can start by importing your Twitter X or which post that you want to convert it to a video. But to actually learn how to use the software, the best way is actually to use the sample data. So once you created your first video, subsequently you will know how to create it. So the best way is just click on this use sample data. Of course, this will use up some of your credit, and this is a sample post that they are going to show you. So I'm just going to use it, and of course you can change everything over here. You can change all this username, display name, and what is a message about, but I'm just going to use the sample data without changing anything. So if you have something to change, you can always change it, and you can even change all the picture and everything. So with that, it has selected I think about 4 tweets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we can add more tweets that you want to create in one particular video, and it'll tell you this will take about 20 seconds and it is going to cost you about 33 credit. So I'm going to click continue, and then we'll see what is the end result for this. And now our tweet has come to life because you'll generate the voiceover for you. And for this part, we just have to wait. So between the time that you select your tweet and then put it in and generate it, I think if you were to select, in this case, 4 tweets, that may take you about less than 5 minutes, and then you add in the tweet. Because once you add in the tweet, all this detail will be there, unless you want to change any of it. Otherwise, they will pull up the tweet for you. So if you are not changing any of the words on the tweet, then they'll just pull it up for you, and then now we have it. How long does it take? It takes less than 1 minute because I didn't pause the video for 4 tweets. And let's see the end result for this. Take a look at the end result.
Musk in 2011. I really want SpaceX to help make life multiplanetary. I'd like to see a self-sustaining base on Mars.
Above Earth, to Mars we go!
I want to see this in my lifetime.
Big question is if he will stay alive to witness the reality of his dreams. Massive projects like this usually outlive generations.
So you can see that this saves you a lot of time to create such a video. First of all, you need to go and find a tweet. And if you're using CapCut, export this into CapCut, and then you have to generate the voiceover. For every one of the tweet, you need to generate the voiceover and match the tweet with the voiceover. And then for this, if you take a look at the background is actually a gameplay. And this is popular right now for this type of video. They always have a gameplay behind. Usually it's Minecraft. So with this software, how long does I take? The only thing I need is to find out which tweet that I want. So once I have my tweet, add it in, and then it takes less than 1 minute to generate. Of course, this is just a 20-second video. So if you have more tweets, then it may take you 5 minutes. But if you were to do this manually, definitely it will take you more than an hour to do it. Do you agree? So this software saves us a lot of time. And now I've just demonstrated this Twitter X, and then in the next video I will show you all the different features of this Vsub. With that, I end the video for now. Thank you for watching.